Okay, so Mia and I are here to tell you about bedazzling your uniform. This is an eighth grade tradition that has been going on for as long as I can remember. I don't know how it started. Um, Bedazzling your uniform basically means taking your uniform, the shirt, the skirt, the pants, and bedazzling them. So for boys, this I've seen in the past writing on the shirts. I've seen pants that have been colored in some way, feathers and sparkles and all sorts of things, boys and girls. Same thing with the girls. I've seen skirts certainly have been in some way decorated. Um, you want to keep in mind, this is about celebrating your time at St. Joe's, not criticizing your time at St. Joe's. So you need to make sure that how you bedazzle your uniform is an expression of that. It's not a chance for you to be billboard to say something negative. All right. It still needs to be school appropriate for me to put it in some sort of a post. I certainly will put it somewhere so that all the eighth graders can see it. No belly shirts, boys or girls. No super short pants or skirts. Your pictures need to be appropriate, and I will gather them together and put them in some format, slideshow, video. I'm really not sure how it's going to look, so that you can all see what everyone has posted. So it's totally optional. If you are not interested at all in doing this, then you absolutely don't have to do it. But particularly now at this time, you have to have your parents' approval. Don't destroy a uniform shirt, pants, skirt, particularly if you have a younger sibling, a cousin, someone who your parent might want to pass that down to. So please ask first. And if you don't have uniform shirt or pants or skirt, that they would allow you to maybe ask about a positive direction t-shirt or your middle school t-shirt that you received when you were a fifth grader visiting. Any of those can be used as well. So please keep it appropriate, keep it school appropriate, keep it positive. I'm going to put the assignment on my 2 Science classrooms so that all students can get to it to post their picture, and then I'll collect them in some way. If it's too hard for you to post a picture that way, then you can email me a picture. I don't mind. You can send down a Google Doc if you need to. I can get them from there. But getting them through email just backlogs my email. So I prefer you post it on the Google Classroom assignment. This is going to be due the Friday before Memorial Day, so the 22nd. You have 2 weeks to design and bedazzle uniform and take a picture and send it to me or attach it to that assignment. You'll see it at the top of the classwork section on both of my science pages. And then I'll gather them together somehow. Okay? So good luck. Have fun. It's supposed to be a fun assignment. Get permission first.